So we've all been there, fitted our nice shiny new headlights, which I did in a recent video, fitted your nice shiny new LED bulbs to change the colour, or just because it looks cool, or in my case, because you want switchable bulbs that are both side lights and indicators in one. And because LEDs take up so much less power than conventional bulbs, the car acts like a bulb's blown, and it's a common thing. How do you fix it? Well, there are two ways you can do it. You can either fit resistors to the wiring for the indicators, which essentially soaks up some of the power that's going through to the bulb, so the car no longer thinks that a bulb is blown and the blinkers will blink at normal speeds. But that's something you've got to do everywhere you fit LED bulbs. The other solution, which I think is the smarter solution, is to fit an LED adjustable relay. So this is what I'm talking about. Right here, this is an LED flasher relay with a little adjuster on top, which I'm assuming is for resistance, to increase the resistance to slow down the flashers. Got this off Amazon, very cheap. I'll put a link in the video to it for anyone with an Evo who needs one. Probably fits other cars as well. It's important to notice you need to work out on your car how your relay works, because this will replace the stock flasher relay on the car. But relays are all different, and you need to make sure that the way that it's pinned is correct for your car. So a lot of people I saw on the Amazon review for this particular relay have said 1 star, 0 stars, it doesn't work, it's a piece of shit. But the problem is they didn't get the right relay for their car. You need to make sure that you get the right relay. If you don't do that, it simply won't work, because it's not the right relay. So anyway, that said, let us get the bottom panel off the car and let us pull out the standard relay, plug this one in, adjust it, and see if it does what it's supposed to do. Okay, so we've got the bottom cover now off the steering on the car, and hopefully you can see this okay. This relay here, the grey one, big grey one, that is the relay that we need to remove. It's a bit fiddly to do because it's clipped in place top and bottom, and on my car there's other wires and things. You've got the turbo timer box there and stuff. So let's just get that off and get the new one on. Okay, so these are the two relays here on top of each other. This is the original one, this is our new one, and this is what I'm on about with the wiring. If you look here, it's B and E and L, and our new one is B and E and L. A lot of times you'll see that the E and the B are the wrong way around, or that the L is in a different place, and that is why they don't work. So hopefully we can just plug this one in now and then try the flashers and adjust it down, and we are done. Okay, so there it is in place now, and if we put on our indicator, this is on the minimum setting, so it's fully anti-clockwise, you can hear the tick speed. You can see the tick speed there. So that is way too slow, so let us adjust that up to something that's acceptable by turning it clockwise. So that is fully wound up now, fully clockwise, and that is now our speed. So I think that is perfect. So we're going to just put the bottom cover back on the steering column underneath, and we are done. So as promised, that is it, we are done. Hopefully some people have found this useful, and now you know, if you didn't already know, that you don't have to fit resistors at the bulb end. You can just fit a new relay.